In this video, we will learn how to add the citations from EndNote Library into your Words document. For that, first open your EndNote software and go for the option of the all references, because maybe I want to add one or more than one references into my Words document. Once I have opened the EndNote library, I will go back into my Words document. Now I will have to decide where I want to add my citation. Let's suppose I want to add my citation here. I will go into the option EndNote. There you can see it's written here, the insert citation. Before going into that option, let's go back into the EndNote library and select the article that you want to cite in your Words document. For example, I want to include that 2019's paper into my Words document. I will select here first and will go back into my Words document. Now I have already clicked here where I want to put my citation. I will click on this insert citation and go for the option insert selected citation. Now here you can see my citation has been successfully added here. Let's suppose I want to add more than one citation at some other place. Let's suppose here I want to add my another citation. I will go back into the EndNote and select another citation that I want to add. Let's suppose I have added this 2021's paper, and I will go back into the Words document. Again, I will go into the insert citation option and I will be clicking on the selected citation option. Now two different articles have been successfully added into my Words document. What happens next? Let's suppose you want to add 2 or 3 articles at the single spot. What you will do? You will go back into your EndNote library and select more than one article. Again, go back to your Words document, select the place where you want to add your more than 2 articles. Now you have selected the area. You will have to go back again into the insert citation option, click here, and you have successfully added your citation.